Hello there, Ívar by Ívar's Fly Workshop here. Today we are going to tie a fly named Heimasætan by Óskar Björgvinsson. This is an Icelandic fly which has been really successful the last decades here in Iceland, especially when it comes to fishing for Arctic char, the one that goes to the ocean, not the local one. Heimasætan is a really beautiful pattern as well. It's like a categoric fly which you recognize immediately when you see it. But we first have to start with attaching the thread to the shank of the hook, like I've already done. The tail of the fly is made out of, it's like a orange rooster's feather. We place a tail there, lock that down securely. Then again, we will be attaching the oval silver, but according to the fly is, and according to its pattern, it should be tied with oval silver, not oval gold like many people in Iceland do. It works either ways, but we'll stick to the pattern. The next part of the fly is the body, and the body is made out of white floss. You will attach that here, white silky floss, and after touching the floss, you'll just fast forward it here. It's always kind of the same job. You wrap the floss around the body then, just on fast forwarding, just to save some time. I like to keep my videos as on point as possible. Hopefully you appreciate that. Then we will be locking the floss in place with the thread, like 3-4 wraps, tight wraps, so it's not gonna slip away. Then you will just trim off the rest of the floss and hide the end of it with the thread. And then comes the silver, the oval silver tinsel. We'll wrap that simultaneously over the body. Try to keep the gaps between the silver as even as possible. Try to keep it up on the professional level. And then we'll lock the silver down with a few tight wraps and then snip off the end of the silver. And this length of the silver is something which you can use for another fly. That's the reason why I cut it and so I'm trying to cut it to not to be too short on the silver. It's a pain in the ass actually when you run out of material. The hackle for the fly, or the beard of the fly, or the collar, that is made out of the same material as the tail. So it's like an bright orange rooster feather as well. We'll attach that down to the shank of the hook. We must also, like in any other fly we make here, we have to make sure that those 2.5 millimeter space is still there for the head. And since this fly has a hair wing on it, which is it's a Magenta pink squirrel, you have to leave place for the head, especially since it has a hair wing. That's very important actually. You will find that out if you don't leave place there, it's gonna be really tight to get the last material on the fly. So we'll be working our way here with the wing. It's like a Magenta, like a bright colored pink squirrel tail. Now I'm just doing the measuring job. Get the hairs, preparing them, put this drop of varnish on the end of the hairs, which I already trimmed and made ready. And then you will just lay the hair on there. Just go carefully on it, tight wraps, few wraps, and then kind of tune in the wing, let it sit in its place, and it's in yeah, perfect place from my opinion. And then we'll just finish the head of the fly, build up the head, but this fly is supposed to have painted eyes on it, so white eyes with a black stone in the middle. So I'm not gonna do that in this video. I will do a particular special video about how you paint eyes on the fly. And if you're going to paint eyes on this one, make sure the head is like thick enough so there is some place to place the eyes. Actually, thin head, it's not going to be easy to find space on it to place like a decent good eyes. The fly is ready. Now we will just do this finishing job a couple of times and trim off the rest of the thread. Then we will give it a coat of varnish on the head of the fly, and then the fly is ready. So I just want to say to you guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate the reactions that the channel already got. You may subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it as much as you want over the internet. So thank you, all of you guys who watched, and I'll see you guys in the next video.